Lauren Vasquez. Lauren Vasquez is an activist attorney you can trust. Call today.
This is your 420 Radio News for Tuesday, December 17th, 2013. I'm Russ Belville. Representative Jones takes up case to legalize medical marijuana in some instances, from Star News Online. U.S. Representative Walter Jones has taken up the case of a number of desperate North Carolina parents, who are hoping state lawmakers will legalize medical marijuana for children with uncontrollable seizures. The Republican congressman, whose 3rd district covers parts of Pender and New Hanover counties, said these parents have exhausted all other available options to provide relief to their kids. In September, the Star News profiled several parents of children with uncontrollable seizures who have joined together via a Facebook page to advocate legalizing a treatment option in North Carolina that has shown some promise for children with epilepsy in other states. For children, the marijuana is taken orally and not smoked. The strain given to children is low in tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, the component of marijuana that's psychoactive, and high in cannabidiol, or CBD, which has been shown to have medical qualities. State facing backlog in marijuana employee licensing, from the Denver Post. The imminent opening of recreational pot shops in Colorado is leading to backlogs in licensing employees, with dozens or hundreds of people showing up each morning at a cramped state office hoping for an appointment. State officials say they recognize the problem and are taking steps to speed up the process, but business owners question why the state wasn't prepared and worry about adequate staffing when first shops open January 1st. To get a state badge to work in Colorado's marijuana industry, employees must get fingerprinted and clear criminal and financial background checks. Julie Postlethwaite, a spokeswoman for the Marijuana Enforcement Division, said the state has been licensing between 100 and 200 employees a week. The division could not provide detailed figures on current application volume. One recent morning, 245 people were turned away. Bill on marijuana to the Sri Lankan Parliament, from the Sunday Leader. Minister of Indigenous Medicine Salinda Disanayake said he will submit a bill to Parliament soon which will seek the removal of the ban on marijuana. Disanayake told the Sunday Leader that marijuana remains banned in Sri Lanka as it is being misused. However, he noted that marijuana can serve as medicine, and so the ban needs to be lifted. He said the Ayurveda Act will also be amended in order to highlight the important medicinal value of marijuana. Disanayake said that if the ban is lifted, laws will then be in place to ensure marijuana is grown only by doctors. Brian Murray, medical marijuana clinic doctor, accused of illegally taking fee from pot-seeking patients, from Huffington Post. A doctor at Chicago's first medical marijuana clinic could have his medical license suspended or yanked altogether following a complaint from the state's Professional Regulation Authority. The Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation filed a complaint Monday against Dr. Brian Murray of the Good Intentions LLC medical marijuana clinic in Wicker Park. At the heart of the complaint is the $99 registration fee the clinic charges patients in the pre-approval process. Regulators allege Murray collected the money from prospective patients before establishing a legitimate physician-patient relationship. The complaint also states that during an August visit to the clinic, investigators found no file cabinets or storage areas to securely store patient records, and that exam rooms lacked examination tables or other medical equipment. Acting Secretary Manuel Flores said in a statement, quote, "Unlike some states, Illinois law does not allow for medical cannabis clinics or practices that exist solely to offer cannabis certifications." Woman convicted of prostitution sues Fort Collins after denial of medical marijuana license, from the Coloradoan. A woman who was denied a medical marijuana dispensary license after she was convicted for prostitution is suing Fort Collins, claiming the intended sex act was a Hindu religious activity. The complaint disputes the city's finding that Melody Kenyon, age 56, lacks the good moral character required by Colorado statute to operate a marijuana store. The filing describes the case of soliciting prostitution at a Nebraska hotel as a misunderstanding. An undercover agent with the Omaha Police Department in April arranged through an escort website to meet Kenyon at the Candlewood Suites and paid her $120 before she offered intercourse to, quote, alleviate his wand chakra, according to the results of an investigative report. Kenyon pleaded guilty to soliciting prostitution, a misdemeanor, and was fined $250. This has been your 420 Radio News for Tuesday, December 17th, 2013. I'm Russ Belville. When we come back, we go behind the headlines to take a look at the radio frequency ID tags being used in Colorado and Washington's legal marijuana markets. You're listening to The Russ Belville Show on 420radio.org. We'll be right back.